and today this video is really special because as you might have read it, आज या फिर मे बी 1-2 दिन के अंदर मेरा बर्थडे होगा जब मैं ये वीडियो अपलोड कर रही होंगी and it's actually on 9th April if you want to wish me and thank you in advance. So this year has been a really beautiful year. मेरा बर्थडे स्टार्ट नहीं आता तो आगे क्या होने वाला मुझे नहीं पता but so far so good. It's been a very memorable year from making new friends on new trips to finally taking my first international trip and that too with my mom and it was her first international trip as well. I'll link it over here if you want to see and so this I just wanted कि मैं बैठ के आप लोगों से just face to face बात करूँ because it's been a while. So starting with the very important, this should be your priority is mental health. Mental health should be something that you consider taking care of the most. मतलब your normal health can get better. मतलब तुम बीमार पड़ते हो तुम उसकी दवाई खिलाते हो you get better. But when it comes to mental health, I think we don't even recognize or accept the fact that we are dealing with something. So if you think तुम्हें किसी तरह की दिक्कत हो रही है कुछ हो रहा है सबसे पहले प्लीज गो मीट अ डॉक्टर एंड आई थिंक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है यू हैव टू हैव डिटर्मिनेशन टू क्योर इट. अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ लगता है कि तुम्हें एंजाइटी या घबराहट या डिप्रेशन जो भी है दिक्कत हो रही है एंड यू जस्ट कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि हाँ तुम्हें ये दिक्कत है एंड यू नॉट एक्चुअली डूइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट इट तो वो ठीक नहीं होगा. सो सबसे पहला प्लीज गो मीट अ डॉक्टर, फॉलो एवरीथिंग दैट पर्सन डॉक्टर सेज एंड do some research, just take care of your mental health. It's really important. सब कुछ मतलब when you are mentally stable, I think दुनिया में तुम सब कुछ कर सकते हो. So stop running after everything else and leaving this behind. Number 2, this is something that we all I think have dealt with at some point or the other. Not all, so most of you. That we are not always going to be around people we love. For example, what I mean to say is you are going to be lonely. Yes, like you are going to be lonely and no matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, you are not going to be able to do anything about it because this is the age जहाँ पे सब लोग अपनी लाइफ में बहुत बिजी होते हैं. Everyone is into their lives, making their careers, helping families out, trying different things, being adventurous. बहुत सारी चीज़ें सब लोग कर रहे होते हैं. सबके पास मतलब टाइम नहीं होता है because they're also busy in their own lives. So at some point you're going to feel lonely even though you have friends, you have people you love, you have your family. But सब लोग अपनी लाइफ में तो बिजी होंगे at some point कि तुम्हें लगेगा कि you don't have anyone to talk to. We all need friends and everything else, but I think जब तक तुम्हारे पास तुम हो, you are your best friend. You can travel alone, you can go to movie dates alone, you can just enjoy alone. If you really start enjoying your own company, it's going to be the best ever investment. Like note this is going to be the best decision ever. Coming to the third point, so as I said in my last point कि everyone is going to be busy finding ways to do things in their life, but बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग भी होंगे जिनको अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया है कि उनको एक्चुअल में लाइफ में क्या करना है. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं मेरे जैसे जो कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी ले लेते हैं देन दे रियलाइज क्वाइट लेट कि उनको एक्चुअल में कुछ और करना था एंड सबके पेरेंट्स या सबकी कंडीशन इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. ये बात माना है कंडीशन इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है कि दे कैन लीव कॉलेज एंड स्टार्ट इट ऑल टुगेदर अगेन एंड पीपल most of the times are afraid and so was I. But I think it's okay if you don't have your goals set. This is the time कि तुम्हारा life timing ये वो part है especially from 18 to 25 I would say, not even 25, 22, 23, that you can actually experiment a bit with your life if you know it's something serious, if you know you can actually make something out of it because this is the time where you can take risk. बाद में जाके you will have even more pressure on building your life and career and family and stuff. This is the time when you can actually be okay with not having goals and that doesn't mean that you should not have goals. I'm just talking about people who are confused about कि उनको क्या करना है. You can take your time and figure out what you want to do. Okay. Next point is again something similar. You are going to lose a lot of friends. Like friends that you thought are going to be friends forever, you are going to lose friends, my dear, because ज़्यादा डिस्कशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन रिलेट विद दिस ओवर हियर एंड इफ यू कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो. मतलब इतना मत बताना कि तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स को समझ में आ जाए कि इसकी बात करो, बट यू कैन टेल मी इनडायरेक्टली, यू नो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट इज टू बी एडवेंचरस. एज आई सेड, दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन यू आर द मोस्ट एनर्जेटिक. एंड ये मैं बार में बताने क्यों करती हूँ, नॉर्मली तो मैं कंटिन्यू वीडियो बनाते रहे, पता नहीं क्यों हाथ चलते मेरे को, बट या. So this is the time when you are the most energetic and you can make full use out of it. So go out, take risks, take that long solo trip that you have wanted, take a break from college if you want. I am not saying to just, you know, do whatever with your life. If you think it is something that really matters to you, be adventurous about it, as in do all the things that you want to do, learn a lot of things that you want to do. Just this is the peak time of your life. Next is something that I have realized quite बाद में जब मैं बाहर रहने लगी finally, that your parents deserve your love. मतलब just think about how much we think about ourselves. मतलब हम हमेशा ये सोचते हैं कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये कैमरा चाहिए, मुझे यहाँ जाना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये बनना है, मुझे वो करना है. But where is the time when you actually think about your parents? Like, you know, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें यार, like you can help your parents in a daily chores. या बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें that you can actually do for your parents. You can go, if you're living somewhere out, you know, in a different city, go visit them at least like 2-3 महीने में एक बार, just for a day. You get Sunday off, you can go clubbing, you can definitely you know, take थोड़ा पैसा invest करके flight, train, whatever you will. You can go with your parents. You can do, you know, you can buy them gifts that they really like. मतलब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, they're just so happy that you bought them something. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं that your parents have actually, मतलब तुम्हें उन्होंने बड़ा किया है छोटे से बिल्कुल, और they have done literally every single thing that they could for you, and you know they deserve it too यार. It's very bluntly. Next जो मैं लाइन बोलने जा रही हूँ, इसका कोई क्लियर मीनिंग मुझे नहीं पता कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, बट देयर इज नो क्लियर पाथवे टू अडल्टहुड. लाइक सबकी लाइफ डिफरेंट होती है, सबके डिसीजन डिफरेंट होते हैं. So just don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different way of looking to life. Everyone has a different path to their life, and you have to live your own way, your own style. Yeah. Next thing is something that I really struggle with because I am that person जो हर चीज़ का लिस्ट बनाता है and I have to take all of them, otherwise मुझे बहुत उलझन होती है. So it's okay to not achieve some goals, and by this I mean like you're not supposed to achieve all of your goals in the time you have set, because life का अपना एक फंडा होता है कि वो तुम्हें लाइफ में जो तुम्हें, you know, the thing that you deserve, it will give you at that particular time if you really work for it. ऐसे नहीं कि बैठे मिल जाएगा, but you know it's okay if you fail sometimes. It's okay if something is taking longer than you thought it will. It's just okay. Just keep doing it. That's what I tell myself. That's what I'm telling you. And next is again. थोड़ा सा मैंने पहले बता दिया, taking breaks is okay. It's absolutely fine if you are struggling with something, if you are just done, you're fed up. Just shut down everything. You really deserve a break if you think you do, because you'll get exhausted, your mind will not work, just like it doesn't work, mine doesn't work now because I can't write anymore. I'm really trying to, but it's hard getting back there. And it's just like, it's okay if you want to take a break, and this is not just from work, this is from anything. If you think something or someone is consuming you too much, take a break. This is your last part, and it's something that you should do more often. Listen to your heart. Like I think बहुत normal सी चीज़ है, but हम लोग ज़्यादा नहीं करते. We think about society क्या कहेगी, घर वाले क्या कहेंगे, friends क्या कहेंगे. Keep a hand over your heart and think, do you really want to buy that dress? Do you really want to go on that trip? Do you really want to text this person back? As small things as that, and I think it is going to make you feel better at some point. Those were the 10 points that I could write down thinking about what I have learned in the past 4-5 years, and I hope कि तुम लोगों को भी कुछ relatable लगा होगा, कुछ लगा होगा कि this is what I wanted to listen. So yeah, that would be it for this video. I just wanted to sit and talk to you guys, and thank you everyone who said happy birthday. जो आगे बोलने वाला है वो भी happy. Thank you so much. And I am uploading every Friday at 4 PM. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not. not already done that. I make travel related videos and also videos where I can help you travel full time or travel in a budget, and I also show some behind the scenes of my digital nomad life. And yeah, that would be it. Okay, bye.